Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will be comparing two top-notch cameras from renowned brands Canon and Sony. We have the Canon EOS R7 and the Sony Alpha 6700. These cameras are packed with incredible features and capabilities that will surely impress any photography enthusiast. Before we dive into the comparison, make sure to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Now, let's get started with the comparison. When it comes to price, the Canon EOS R7 is priced at $1,899, while the Sony Alpha 6700 is available for $1,399. Keep in mind that the prices may vary depending on promotions and packages. Both cameras offer great value for their respective price points. The Canon EOS R7 features the powerful Digic X image processor, which enhances performance for sharp photos and ultra-high-definition videos. It also boasts a 32.5 MP APS-C CMOS sensor that ensures crisp and detailed images. On the other hand, the Sony Alpha 6700 comes with the Bions XR processing power and a 26.0 MP APS-C format XMOR back illuminated CMOS sensor. Both cameras deliver exceptional image quality. The Canon EOS R7 offers full-range lens compatibility as it supports EFS, EF, RF, and the new RFS mounts. This means you have a wide range of lenses to choose from. Similarly, the Sony Alpha 6700 has a variety of compatible lenses available, providing you with flexibility and options for your photography needs. If you are into video recording, both cameras have impressive features. The Canon EOS R7 allows you to capture ultra-high-definition videos with its enhanced image processor. It also offers high-speed continuous shooting up to 15 FPS. On the other hand, the Sony Alpha 6700 supports 4K 60p 6K oversampled 4:2 210-bit recording with long GOP or all-intra formats, as well as high frame rate 4K 120p recording. Depending on your specific video needs, either of these cameras will not disappoint. And that wraps up our comparison between the Canon EOS R7 and the Sony Alpha 6700. Both cameras excel in their own right, offering outstanding features and capabilities. It ultimately comes down to personal preference and specific requirements. We hope this video helped you make a more informed decision. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.